In this video, we are going to discuss conductors and insulators using the simulation. After trying to close the circuit using the materials represented in the adjacent table, we differentiate between those that allow passage of electric current and those that do not allow. We we drag this material and insert them between the two wires, forming a closed, unbroken pathway. If the lamp glows, this means that there's a current flowing through the circuit, and this means that the material inserted here allows the passage of the current. Otherwise, if we insert, for example, the glass between those two wires, the lamp isn't going to glow, though it appears for us to be a closed circuit, but actually electrically this is a broken circuit because the glass is an insulator that does not allow the flow of current through it. So if we want to classify them, we have that the alloy, water, salty water, copper, and the graphite allow the flow of current. However, those that do not allow are the glass and the wood. Okay, and in addition to the aluminum, for those that allow the flow of current. Okay, so now as a conclusion, what is a conductor? Is a material that allows the flow of an electric current through it. What is an insulator? Is a material that does not allow the flow of an electric current through it. For general knowledge, comparison between conductors and insulators on the atomic scale, we know that all matter are made up of atoms that whose center is a nucleus containing the protons, and whose outer or surrounding are electrons that rotate at different energy levels. So now here, if we consider a piece of metallic wire is made up of millions of atoms, and each one of these has its own cloud of electrons. However, there are a large number of free electrons that are colored blue. So these are two diagrams, one for an insulator and one for the conductor. The orange circle represents an atom with the nucleus and the electrons on levels that are electrons that are not free on the energy levels close to the nucleus. And the conductor here, also we have the orange circles represent atoms with the nucleus and electrons that are present on nearby energy levels, and these electrons are not free. However, the blue ones around the orange circles are or represent the free electrons. Now what happens when a voltage is applied across the metal? These free electrons are all made to move in a certain direction. So when we apply a voltage, this means when we connect a battery, so the battery has stored energy. Upon connecting it to the wire, it's going to give some energy to the free electrons and stimulate them to move and to flow through the conductor, thus forming or producing an electric current.